Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning up the Ford Crown Victoria. We're going to clean the engine bay, clean the wheels, clean it up. So we have a new product we're trying. As you see, I got the shirt. Super clean product. And we're going to see how it works live. Alright, so we have, as you see, there's your engine bay. We're going to be using the dissolved grease, super easy on here. We're going to spray it on here, let it sit, go from there. Go ahead and get started. A lot of times having dirty engines, you probably don't know what to use on it. Now this is biodegradable detergents in here, so I'll show you guys that up close. These are the two products that we're using in the video today. So you have your Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner. This is the 32-ounce value size. And then this is the Super Clean Dissolved Grease, super easy, super fast. This is the one that we're using on the engine bay. As you see, it's already seemed like it's working some. You see the grease is already falling off the front of the engine, so that is amazing. Like I said, biodegradable detergents. This is the one I'm using currently. I do have a spray can, so if you don't want to do all the keep squeezing the trigger, you can just use the spray can as well. So next we're going to go ahead and spray the wheels with the Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner on this vehicle. Comes out very foamy. Definitely spray the wheels and let's see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and soak it real good. Why not, right? Shout out to Super Clean for sending these products over. Really appreciate it. And spoke with them. It was like, hey, try these out. Let us know. Give us an honest review. So far, I'm liking it. And they really kept their word when they said, they're gonna send it over and all that good stuff. Do the front wheel as well. Now what we're going to do is do this side, and then we'll compare it to the other side. Right there. All right, let that sit for a minute. While we're waiting on the engine bay to soak for a minute, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit down here, where it gets a little grimy from the road and stuff. Now over here we do have the wheels. I'm going to use a wheel cleaner on that after we get done with the engine bay. On the other side as well. Also, we have some writing, some adhesive glue or left on the car from when we pull the strips off. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that as well and see if that helps on that part. All right, so we're gonna let this dry. We're gonna come back, take a look, but I can already tell you it is working. It has cleaned it. We're gonna let it finish drying, and yeah, I can already see a big difference. I seen the grease running off the front of the engine. It's caked up right in here, and so it's just running off. This is like some kind of nest that was right there, so I might have to scrape that because it's really stuck on there. But grease wise, the grease has just been running off. You see that looks nice and clean, like an engine should look. Alrighty, so this is the clean engine bay compared to earlier. Very nice and clean. Remember, this part had a ton of grease on it. Now that is gone. So that's real nice and clean. And this is the wheels that we sprayed. I'm going to show you the wheel that I didn't spray. This is the one that I did not spray. As you see, neither one of these wheels I sprayed. I did spray the ones on the other side. See, they are cleaner.